peace and hope for us.
There are glitches as we travel on in our journey today, come tomorrow.
We are gathered here, the Commonwealth we are, to save our Commonwealth and future. Save it,
Save it,
save it, save it.
let the beacon of hope shine on. We sing it, we stand for. With the strength that defies,
We'll rise up despite our fall.
in resistance we go on, and transforming our world as we move on.
We provide and share for now and beyond. The special and mutual call. Share it, share it, share it.
There'll be no hunger, no more.
Crisis, diseases, no war.
Send the sea,
The earth breathes, the rising
Be strong to protect our common future and commonwealth. Please remember us in your hearts as we live for your time. We are the future, tomorrow's generation.